I am reviewing the instructions for clarity. He is considering various perspectives on the issue. We are weighing our options carefully at this moment. She is discussing the implications of the changes. The researchers are studying the effects of the new drug. I am seeking the latest updates for the project right now. He is looking for opportunities to collaborate. We are trying to resolve the conflict now. They are verifying the data for accuracy. She is presenting her research findings carefully. The team are formulating strategies for improvement. I am trying to clarify the instructions right now. He is striving to connect with the audience during his speech. We are reviewing the changes in policy today. The participants are clarifying their roles in the event. Thanks for watching.